Are you one of the millions of Americans struggling to make ends meet? If you find yourself constantly scraping by, living paycheck to paycheck, and feeling like you're never going to break free from financial stress, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the most common reasons why people end up broke and explore practical strategies to help you overcome these obstacles. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the financial habits you need to adopt to achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Lack of clear financial goals. The first step to financial success is having a clear vision of where you want to be. Without specific goals, it's like driving without a destination. Set clear, achievable goals such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or building an emergency fund. 2. No emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected expenses. A car breakdown, a medical emergency, or even a job loss can quickly derail your financial plans. Building an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses is crucial to protect yourself from financial shocks. 3. Poor budgeting habits. If you don't know where your money is going, it's impossible to manage it effectively. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. By understanding your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. 4. Short-term thinking. Many people focus on immediate gratification rather than long-term financial security. Think about the future and invest in your financial well-being. Start saving for retirement, pay off high-interest debt, and make wise financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. 5. Expensive habits. Small, seemingly insignificant expenses can add up quickly. Evaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Consider giving up expensive vices like smoking or excessive drinking and explore cheaper alternatives to your favorite activities. 6. Excessive debt. Carrying a heavy debt load can be a major financial burden. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt and avoid taking on new debt unless it's for investments that will generate a return. 7. Keeping up with the Joneses. Spending money to impress others can be a financial drain. Focus on your own financial goals and avoid making purchases solely to show off. 8. Not paying yourself first. One of the most common financial mistakes is not prioritizing savings. Make it a habit to pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Conclusion. Breaking free from financial struggles requires discipline, planning, and a commitment to making smart financial decisions. By avoiding the common pitfalls discussed in this video and implementing the strategies outlined, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. What are your biggest financial challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below.